Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Bhumi and today we are going to make a fire extinguisher that you can make at your home. If you are new to my channel, subscribe our channel and click on a bell icon for the latest video. Don't worry, we are not making like this. We need a vinegar, glass and baking soda. Take a glass and pour some vinegar in the glass, okay, and then put some baking soda in the vinegar and you can see the candle is extinguished, okay. Is because we know that the fire needs three things: oxygen, fuel and heat. Due to the carbon dioxide insert of oxygen, candle is extinguished. Like our video, subscribe our channel, like and share our video. Thank you.